perseverance over the years through all the trials and tribulations because of your beliefs and your views on life? And why do you continue to try it? Why you never just trim and just blend in with society and take
No.
the easy route?
Well, how I and I come see that Rastafari is like the more tribulation. All right, I and I education come from what we go through in life. Tribulation, persecution, temptation, that's where our education come through. You understand? And even when I and I used to trot up in the early 60s, 70s, them time, when a Rasta man go out and police beat him and trim him and send him go to prison and come back, it's like you get more honor, more respect. Because you go through all of this and you never trim, you never turn back, you keep on holding on. But you see, I never learned this liberty nowhere, and no one never did come give her it. I just born that way, yeah. Because I never lived no other life beside this life. So I don't know any other. So no matter where I go through, I don't know nothing else but Rastafari, you know. Everything else you see I do, I try, you know. But I not try Rastafari. You know. Yeah, I try to sing, I try to everything else, you know. But when it comes to Rastafari, I not trying because I don't know no other way. This is the only way I know to live.
Where did the courage and perseverance come from to stand up for what you believe in? Because most people talk, well, majority of people talk, but very few people actually stand up and deal with the consequences of their beliefs.
Because word sound is very powerful, you know. Word sound is really powerful. When you see the works, it's the next thing. Because a man can talk anything, you know, but if you live that. But don't just say I'm stubborn. Because no matter where I go through in life, you know, if you put her in the fire, I just feel say I belong in that fire. If you put her in the sea, I feel say I belong there. Anywhere you put her. So I can survive anywhere you want to put her.
The hopelessness mixed with the self-hate because they figure nothing could come of them, So
That's the mentality that they give the people because the world just want one handful of people. They don't need it. You know, too much people in the world, they want to get rid of some of them. So them just set up all, everything is business, you know. The church, business. The dead house, business. The courthouse, business. The prison, business. Everything is business. Who control all of these business? You know? If a man owns a dead house and people are not dying fast enough, and he really want business, he can't send man go kill people and him get business. He might go to prison, you know. He might go to jail, you know. He might go to jail, so the police are going to get that money too. And then him go courthouse, the judge, the lawyer, the barrister, the clerk of the court, and then the prison. And then after him they come from prison, him dead is the dead house. Who control all of these business? Government. So the government is the head of all these things, you know. So what we have to do is link the spiritual wickedness which is going on in high places. Because they create that for the low people. Because them to them high, you know, but me know them low still. So them design all of this to keep us in darkness at all time. And them tell us it's better for the rich man to go through the eye of an eagle than a poor man. That's what them saying in the Bible now. Mm-hmm. It's better for a poor man to go to the eye of an eagle than a rich man. So the people want to be poor. Because them know if you're rich, you can't go to heaven. But I want to tell them to heaven is up on earth. This is my heaven. I don't know about nothing up in here more than plane and satellite and all pass up when we see up here. You know? So we have to just know how to love ourselves right now. And we need to listen to each other more, but we don't got the time to listen. That's what we can learn. Because we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, and most time we use the mouth more than we hear, so it creates problems.
Thank Thank you for watching I Never Knew TV. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share.